welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an unboxing of my new planner for 2020/2021. So let's begin. I'm so excited. Look how cute. It is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I honestly did not know if I would like it, but I really do. These leaves kind of are weird, but this is actually so pretty. So I got the Erin Condren monthly planner. It's the one I bought last year, and this I got it in the neutral colors, and let's check it out. See what's new. Okay, honestly, I'm loving this. Oh, I love this font. I wish I knew what it was. It's so pretty. There's an extra page. Oh, new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, and new results. I like that. That's really nice. Find beauty in the everyday. That's really cute. So I got this to start July 2020 and then end in June. So I don't know if I'm gonna fill this one out. I might as well, honestly, but we'll see. Wow, it just feels so much different. Is it the paper that's different? No. I really love that it's neutral colors and the notes on that side. Well, I guess it's the same thing. Oh no, they took this off on here. This doesn't have it. And they took the boxy notes off. Oh, so the monthly planner is first and then this. I don't really use this anymore, but maybe I will start using it. I like that the monthly look is first because I hated every time opening my planner and going to this first. I just did not. It was really annoying. So then you got my lined pages. Trust the timing of your life. I really like that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Feels so nice. March, April, May, and June. Got our stickers in the back. We got the monthly little mini outlooks right here. Yeah. That is so cute. I really like this. I'm so happy I got this. Now let's get on to filling out my planner. Now today I have my July debt tracker, and sorry about that being so late. I've had so much going on in the last literally month. It's been really crazy. But here I am, finally uploading my debt tracker. So, as you can see, it is not pretty. I forgot to buy stickers, so this is whatever. Anyways, don't mind how gross it is, but this is what I have. So I have my city card, and I have $1,420 as of right now. As you know, in my last debt tracker I had $2,000, but I already did that in this month. So now I'm at $1,420. The due date is on the 2nd, so I just put on the next date, and the minimum payment is $35, but we are trying to put as much money as we can into it. So the first payment I paid was $20, and then the second payment was $560. And that leaves us with $1,420. Now under here I have my plan for the next 3 months, and if I calculated it correctly, this will be all gone by October. My plan is to put $500 in August and $500 in September, and then the last $420 in October. And then this card will be all over. But you really never know with me. My life is crazy. So hopefully I find a job that I can pay this off quicker, but this is what I have for right now. I can't believe it's almost done. We are almost done paying this off. So let me know what you guys think. I wish I could sell more items, but there's like nothing else I can sell. Also, I live like way up north, so it's really hard to sell things to people. So that is it for my July debt tracker. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.